What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer Blogger to WordPress. First thing you should do is to set up hosting, then install WordPress, then import Blogger. And now let's assume that you have already set up the WordPress. So the first step after that is to go to your Blogger, then go to settings, go down till you find in the manage blog section backup content. Click on it, then click on download, then it will download all the content on your Blogger account. Click on keep, then go to its file and save it, whatever you want. Now go to your WordPress, then go down right here and click on import, then choose Blogger, then drag the file that we downloaded. As you can see now it's uploading, then click on start import. And if you do not have Blogger installed on your WordPress, make sure to install it first in order to see these options. Now, as you can see, it finished and says that your content has been imported. Click on view site. Then when you go to your site, you will see that the posts are added also with their comments. Now, in order to make sure that all your posts have been transferred, go to this icon right here, then click on all posts. And you will find out here the post that you have transferred. Then go to your Blogger and make sure that you have the same number of posts here and here. Now to check the comments, you can also go to the comments right here and check how many comments do you have. And also you can do the same thing when you go to Blogger and click on comments. But here in my case, I do not have comments. So if you have comments, you will see the number right here and also right here. Now, the next steps that we're going to do right now is very necessary in order to keep our traffic and not lose our ratings of our Blogger. So when you open the site of your Blogger with WordPress, you will find out that the link looks different. And in order to fix this problem, you should go back to your WordPress dashboard, then go down in the settings and you will find an option that is called permalinks. Then after you go to permalinks, go down until you find this option right here, custom links, and copy the link that I'm gonna show you right now. I will leave this link down below in the description. And once you finish, click on save changes. Now go to plugins, then search for Blogger to WordPress plugin. Then choose this plugin right here, install it. After installing it, activate it, then go to tools and you will find here this plugin, Blogger to WordPress. Click on it, then it will show you this page right here. And now all you have to do is to click on start configuration. Then click on get code and go down and you will find out this code right here in this box that you should copy it and paste it in the theme of your Blogger. So now go to Blogger after copying the code, then click on theme, click on this arrow and first back up your Blogger, then click on edit HTML, Ctrl A, delete all this code and paste the new code and click on save right here. Now after clicking on save, go back and click on this arrow right here and you will find out that there is an option called mobile settings. Click on it, then choose desktop, then click on save. And now go back to your WordPress, go down on the same page of the plugin. Down below the code, you will find here verify configuration. Click on verify configuration and it will show you these two links right here. And you can click on the first link in order to test your website. Now in the end, you should go back to your Blogger, then click on settings, then go down till you find this option right here inside feed section. Click on post feed redirect URL. Click on it. Then I want you to paste this code or this URL that I'm gonna give you. I will leave it down in the description. You can simply remove this section and put your website URL. Then click on save. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.